Up first this evening, the Justice Ministry will be launching a full investigation into the videotaping of an accused man who is being questioned by 4 justices of the peace. The video features Rashane Barnett, who is accused of killing 5 family members in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
There has been outrage across the country since the video featuring Rashane Barnett went viral on social media. One of the justices of the peace told our news center that the video was being sent via WhatsApp to an Indicom officer. However, the officer no longer uses that phone number. It's alleged that the video may have entered the public domain through this wrong number. Wrong number or not, the Justice Ministry says even though JPs have a duty to check on the well-being of accused persons, videotaping is most inappropriate and should not be done. It is also inappropriate for JPs to be present during medical examinations. The Justice Ministry adds there will be consequences if it uncovers a breach in the Justice of the Peace Act or the JP's Code of Conduct. Attorney at Law Peter Champagny, who is also a former president of the St. Andrew Justices of the Peace Association, adds that a video recording should not have taken place.
It is not normal. It is shocking. It should never have happened. And it is in breach of the Code of Conduct. That is my view. And it should be looked into, and it should never be allowed to be repeated. Never. So they say hindsight is 20/20 vision, but to my mind, it represents a lack of judgment in all the circumstances. And the fact is that there have been training sessions ever since the Honourable Marigold Harding was custos, Dr. Patricia Dunwell, a number of other persons. There have been training to safeguard against things like these and to be cautious.
He adds that the video could be detrimental to the prosecution's case as the main suspect gave a caution statement on June 24.
There are certain channels that are there that will guide the process. Indicom is there for a reason. And if you say something to the court and then somebody take it up on themselves to do their own investigation, then what you do is that there is a contradiction that is created that is likely to impact upon whatever evidence may be given in relation to the issue of admissibility, really voluntariness of a caution statement. So the implications are far-reaching.
In the 6-minute video, Mr. Barnett is asked whether he was assaulted by the police. Mr. Barnett said he was threatened but not hit. The video also shows Mr. Barnett stripping to his underpants and being examined. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.